Good day, dear traders. This is Alexander Gurchik and the Gurchik & Company. Today is our bi-weekly webinar about the Forex levels, prices, and everything else. What I wanted to tell you that's basically the last 2 weeks, the levels pretty much worked out very well. I did not move any levels what we previously had before in our charts. So let's see. Let's see and see how it all worked out. Usually, of course, we started with the euro and going further. As you remember, our webinar was on March 20th, is right here, and I said I set up the levels. If you take a look, all the levels are pretty much still the same: 108.77, 107.77, and 106.60. So basically, as you can see, the levels are really worked out very well. We had a false breakout against the level 108.77. I even said it. If we're going to stay above 1077, we have all the chances to go 109. And as you can see, we almost went to, we went to 109 and then pull back. So what do we have right now? Obviously, we had a very fast move for almost 220 points. If euro is going to be managed to close today below that particular level, we have right here open channel to 105.24 right here. It's very important to see and to understand. This is an open channel, and we can really go down very fast. But if we're going to hold it up here, then we have a upside potential of actually very small upside potential of 100 points. The next one is the British pound. As well, worked out extremely good. Above 124.15, I said if it's going to be trading above 24.15, it can go easily to 126. So as you take a look, we went to 126. The levels are pretty much still the same: 125.493, 125.15. So what we have right now, as you can see, we're in a very tight level, very tight. You see we went up, down, up, down. So most likely, we have to watch out how we're going to stand here. If we're going to really try to manage to stay inside the level, then we have probably going to have a bigger chance to really fly, like either way high or either way down. So we got to figure it out how we're going to trade against those important levels. Japanese yen. Japanese yen right now, it looks to me that is going to break 110.629 and go lower. The way it looks right now, take a look. We had a false breakout again, very important level, against very important level. Then we had a false breakout, but take a look. It looks like we're going down. So my personal opinion, if we're not going to hold on to it, that's most likely the level of 110.629 is going to be broken, and we're going to go lower from that particular level. Next one, it's a Canadian dollar. Take a look. Our level was extremely perfect. Take a look. I basically wrote this level, 132.946 against the Canadian dollar. Take a look the way it basically traded perfectly. So we have to see right now how this level is going to behave. But basically, Canadian dollar looks extremely good. Take a look. It was perfect, just perfect. So bottom line is the level really worked out well. We have to see right now where the level is going to be. We have an up level at 134.208 and 132.94. But it's honestly, it makes me feel good to see basically the level worked right here. You see, that's what the level came from. Level are just perfect. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very important. And right now today, it was a low of the bar, and right now it's a high of the bar right there at the high side of the level. So it's very nice when you have a level which work out very well. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar also very good scenario. I said the 0.0745, very, very strong level. And take a look. What do we have? This is very important level. We have to see how we're going to close out against 0.69837 and 0.70. Very important thing. You see, we're trying to consolidate already. And if we're going to stay below 0.69, then we'll go right here. And that probably is going to be open channel to go fast and fast down. Australian dollar also worked out very well. We had the level of 0.75867, and before that we had the level of 0.77. So it's a very important thing to see how we're going to behave at the level of 0.75867. If obviously we're going to close below the level, we have all the chances to go straight down, like a little, not that much, maybe 70, 80 points. But this is an open channel. Take a look. What I call the open channel open channel I called when basically the pair did not go up and down slow, it went fast without basically any resistance. So in this particular case, we went fast, and most likely we're going to break 0.75. We're going to go straight down, also without the resistance. Gold. My personal opinion, besides that the level worked out very well, my personal opinion that the gold looks like it wants to go higher. It wants to break 1259, the level that's withdraw, and go much higher. So my personal opinion, it doesn't look like gold wants to go down. Most likely the gold wants to go up. So I would definitely look gold to the upside. Only with the level of 1243 is going to be broken to the downside. Only then we can say that's it's a weak level, and the gold is going to go lower. Oil, very interesting scenario. I said if it's going to be breaking 48.30, we're going to go lower. Take a look, we broke 48.30, went to $47 per barrel. But take a look, what happened? 1, 2, 3. I wanted to show you penny for penny. 47.075, 47.065, and right here 47.065. Penny for penny. So what do we have right now? The looks like the oil wants to go back to 48.30. But what I wanted to tell you, that's point to point, penny to penny. The level worked out extremely good. Anyway, my friends, thank you very much for looking to our webinar. All the best. I wish you good luck. It's been Alexander Gurchik, and thank you very much.